You are watching Joystick Junkie.
Hi, welcome to another Joystick Junkie video. Bitcoin mania seems to have gripped the world, as the digital cryptocurrency's price has reached astronomical value. 7 years ago you could buy 1 Bitcoin in 10 cents, now it costs you more than $10,000. So what is it all about? To clear doubt, I want to do a quick video on this topic. Okay, so what exactly is Bitcoin and why is its price going so high? Bitcoin is a digital currency that can be used to buy and sell things. But it got some key differences from real cash. First of all, there are no coins and no notes. Bitcoin exists only online. Secondly, there's no central bank or government controlling the supply of Bitcoin. Bitcoin is produced by a system known as mining, which is done by powerful computers. All transactions are then stored in blockchain, held in thousands of different places to keep things secure. Supporters of Bitcoin argue that blockchain technology is revolutionary and that Bitcoin will one day largely replace this traditional money. They argue that its value might rise higher than its current high value suggests. Seriously, it's true that right now you can use Bitcoin a lot more widely than you used to be. You can buy softwares, holidays, music album and lot more. But it's still long way from truly getting mainstream. A lot of experts believe that Bitcoin is experiencing a classical financial bubble, which will burst. But my question is, when? So far, Bitcoin has been a victim of its own success. It's been hugely popular as an investment, largely based on the fact that one day it will be widely used as a currency. But this popularity worked really bad as a currency. See, the point is, from my perspective, money should supposedly hold its value, right? So that when I go out for shopping, I can roughly know how much I can spend. But the case of Bitcoin is something different. It's going up by 10 to 20% on a single day and then crashing just as fast, making it pretty much impossible to put a reliable price on anything. Such huge fluctuation actually is a disincentive to buy something with it. Why will somebody hand over precious Bitcoins today when it can worth a lot tomorrow? But then again, this might not matter in short time because ultimately the value of anything is set with what people are willing to pay for it, right? And this is the reason if lot of more people jump over this Bitcoin craze, the price could go higher and higher. I really don't want to hurt the sentiment of anybody, but in the long term, if this currency is unable to do what it is designed to do, I personally think the Bitcoin bubble might just burst. Okay, so now that we know what Bitcoin is and how it basically functions, the second question is, how is the price of Bitcoin determined? See, Bitcoin is an open source, peer-to-peer, digital, decentralized cryptocurrency. There is no governing authority such as the central bank or Ministry of Finance. Bitcoin's issuance and circulation are ensured by regular users via a process known as Bitcoin mining. Bitcoin can be sent anywhere, anytime, almost for free, and with little regards for national border or government or bank imposed restrictions. Now coming to the price point. Bitcoin's price is primarily determined by supply and demand. The specific exchange rates are formed in the process of Bitcoin trading on various online exchanges, same as any other currency. Bitcoin's price is ever changing and depends on multitude of factors, including the number and size of businesses which accepts Bitcoin as payment. Trading is the activity of buying and selling currencies, including cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin and different altcoins, in exchange for other currencies. It is performed on many online exchanges all over the world and is primarily done for two reasons. The first reason is exchanging cryptocurrencies for a more widely accepted currency, such as for example USD, in order to make money in the real economy. And the second point is professional day trading, where traders bet on the exchange rates of different cryptocurrencies going either up or down in order to make a profit on the difference. What is Bitcoin exchange services? Bitcoin exchanges are online services which allow their users to trade Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies for a traditional government money like USD, dollar, INR and vice versa. Most exchanges also allow you to trade different cryptocurrencies for one another. The exchange rate for each deal are set by individual buyers or sellers at their own discretion based on their idea of a fair price. Okay, so where is this Bitcoin stored? How it is secured? Bitcoin Wallet is a program which allows you to gain access to sending and receiving bitcoins. There are two main types of Bitcoin wallet, software and web. Software wallets are downloadable programs designed to run on your PC, which provide complete control over your Bitcoin account. A web wallet is hosted on a website of a company which provides Bitcoin wallet services. These wallets are easier to set up and use, but then again, you have to rely on the hosting company to provide sufficient security measures, which I feel is a dangerous trade-off. What is Bitcoin mining? Bitcoin mining is the process by which new Bitcoins are created and transactions are sent across the network. Both the people who engage in it and the devices that are used for mining are called miners. In the process of mining, the miner's computer performs the so-called hashing, which is producing the proof of work. They take a series of randomly generated input data strings and apply a specific cryptographic function to it. In Bitcoin's case, it's SHA-256. The result of each calculation will always be the same hash, unique to any particular input, but its exact value cannot be predicted until the actual calculation is performed. The network has an overall target value, and as soon as any miner gets a hash which is equal to or lower than the target, they get to register all the transactions which took place on the network. Since the last hit, package them into a block, adds it to the end of the blockchain and credit a specific amount of Bitcoin to their own account. These Bitcoins are created out of nothing to reward the miners for the time and electricity they spent for cracking the hashes. Initially, any person could use their PC to download a Bitcoin client and start mining Bitcoin. They still can, but nowadays it is not economically feasible, as the mining industry is dominated by ASIC, cloud mining, and highly efficient machine developed specifically for the purpose of mining Bitcoin. Okay, so keeping that in mind, what exactly is cloud mining? Cloud mining is the process of mining Bitcoin or other cryptocurrencies in a cloud, that is via remotely located mining equipment. It is a fairly popular business practice for a cryptocurrency mining company to set up a large mining farm, but instead of using it to mine Bitcoin for itself, that company rents small fraction of its mining power to its customer via online contract. That way, the cloud mining company's clients are able to participate in small-scale mining without the associated cost of purchasing mining hardware and setting up and maintaining the infrastructure. So, is Bitcoin simply a 21st century version of gold, only without the storage issue? Or is it just a short-lived popular fad that may soon evolve into something quite different? Only time will tell. Anyway, that's the end of the video. Thanks for watching, guys. Feel free to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Subscribe if you need. Thanks guys, I'm D Chatterjee, you've been watching Joystick Junkie, and I'll catch you here for the next video.